Okay, day 3 and 4 on this job are going to be combined in today's episode. And the reason for that is because, well, day 3 really sucked. My Geo Ripper, my mini trencher, the screw kept on coming undone on the head, and that causes it to tilt down, the chain stops, and it kept on getting worse and worse. I should have just gone out and got some Lockrite and just locked that screw in tight, but I just tried to continue with it. I had to clean up that trench after day 2 on the job there because some of it had caved in a little bit where it was softer soils. In addition to that, my gas guy was also supposed to come out. That was Monday, so that was day 3. And that would have allowed me to fill in, compact, and start screeding. That didn't happen, so what I ended up doing was starting about the halfway point, you'll see it here, of me screeding, getting the gator base laid, and then starting to lay this Antica walkway. Day 4, this day, I'm talking to you at the end of the day because it was go, go, go. It rained the night before. It's just starting to rain at the end of the day here quite a bit now, and we're expecting tons of rain in the next couple of days. So I just wanted to get as much work as I could done as possible before the rain started. I wanted to get the trench. So my gas guy showed up today, got the gas installed. That's all good and ready to go. I filled in the trench in behind him, compacted, got my fabric set in nicely, and got all my gravel that I needed into the back there. Additionally, I cleaned up the area of that excavation, the sod and soil. I wanted to get that all nice and cleaned up so that I can just focus on screeding and laying. That'll be day 5. Lots to go yet on this project. And first phase is once we screed, once we get that gator base laid, it's nice and easy to get that fire pit installed and whatnot. That's all I got for you today on today's episode. Again, last 2 days were just, well, today was go, 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 day 4. Day 3 sucked. Didn't want to talk on camera because of how frustrated I was. But that is the life of a hardscaper. As you can see behind me, it's really starting to come down now. Rain is coming. We're on our way home. We'll see if we're even working tomorrow. Apparently it's supposed to rain all day, all throughout the night and into the morning on the following day. So we'll see what happens. If you like this video, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn more about in the comments about what we're doing on this project. You'll see a lot more footage from day 5 on this project as we get hopefully everything laid by the end of day on day 5.